Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we're here with Shenseea. Yeah, man. Shenseea herself with Time For Me. Yes, Time For Me official performance video. Go jump in and see where Shenseea did. Let's go, mama. Let's go. Hold on. Different. All right.
You should make time for me, make time for me. You should make time for me, make time for me. You know we make time for the things we want to. So if you really, really want to, you would make time for me, make time for me.
People always make time for the right person. If you are the right person, they will make time for you. Again! Shenseea fans, in the comment section, what are dealing? Tell them, Sheng.
You should make time for me, make time for me. You should make time for me, make time for me.
Every day clean and fuck.
You know we make time for the things we want to. So if you really, really want to, you would make time for me, make time for me.
True.
Where you there? Come to me, meet me now. Me overthink too much when I get left alone. Don't tell me you're busy if I'm priority. Show me.
Yeah, the video clean like Shenseea skin to blood clot. Tell him again, Sheng.
You should make time for me, make time for me.
Yeah.
You should make time for me, make time for me. You know we make time for the things we want to. So if you really, really want to, you would make time for me, make time for me.
All right.
Where you there? Come to me, meet me now. Me overthink too much when I get left alone. Don't tell me you're busy if I'm priority. Show me, please don't left me lonely. Hope you're not think my clingy just because. Why you give me time like say you're behind bars. Try
Bumbo clot.
just because. Why you give me time like say you're behind bars.
Don't think your girl clinging my youth. When a girl want time with you like say you're behind bars, don't think she clingy. She just like the around you, G. Yeah, she just comfortable and she can be herself around you.
Try don't keep me waiting. I'm running out of patience.
Yeah.
You should make time for me, make time for me. You should make time for me, make time for me.
Yo, big up the bands, man. Big up the bands, man. Them bad.
You know we make time for the things we want to. So if you really, really want to, you would make time for me, make time for me.
Rasta Sheng. Bumbo clot. Enjoy yourself, mama.
Make time for me, make time for me.
Enjoy yourself, mama.
If you really want to, you are gonna get it done. You not dealing with a bird, so no give me no breadcrumb. Communicate when
Bumbo clot. Hear a mama switch up a thing, man. Again. Listen what you say. Hold on. Ready now.
make time for me, make time for me. if you really want to, you are gonna get it done. You not dealing with a bird, so not give me no breadcrumb. Communicate. When I have to talk too much, but me have to hear from you every day.
Yeah?
You can't call, send a letter. Me will flex Cinderella.
Yeah, if you can't call us, send a letter. Blood clot every day, boy. I'm not talking about it. Anyway, Shen, big up yourself. Bad.
Better take charge like a Tesla. Spend money.
Better take charge like a Tesla. Electric car, take charge. Get.
Need but not spend time. Like say that no matter. Gifts are not enough. Me need that and me need some physical touch. Not excuses. You should make time for me. Make time for me. Put me on your clock, baby. You should make time for me. Make time for me. You should make time. You know we make time for the things we want.
Sure.
And if you really, really want to, make time for me, make time for me. You know that it's been a while. Let's not keep up, come on, swell. You said that I'm on your mind. Make time for me, make time for me. Make time for me, baby. Yeah. That quality. Time for me, baby.
One Sheng, no pussy. Calm it down. Calm it down, Sheng. Pussy class. Yo. Shen, pick up yourself. Pick up your blood class, Shenseea. Pick up yourself. You do it, mama. You put in the work. Fire. Yes, fire. A different. Yo, Shen just overly talented, yeah, man. Big up yourself, mama. You're pretty and you're talented. So you deserve every accolade where you get, mama. Big up yourself. Yeah. Nothing bad for yourself about Shen. Never, ever. You know what I mean? Yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, though. Shen, I do reggae. Alright? I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Shenseea, the Zambia represent for Jamaica verse game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. You don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot. You don't know that.